Hello everyone, I welcome you all in your English online class. Let us start the class. Today is the topic Past Perfect Tense. Today we are going to do the topic Past Perfect Tense. Let us elaborate the heading first. Past means the time that is gone. Perfect means the actions that are completed. They are perfectly done. And tense word relates to time. It means past perfect tense tells us about the actions that are completed or done in the past. We use the words चुका था, चुके थे, चुकी थी. In this tense, we see that the sentences that end with these words, they relate to past perfect tense. Let us go through the formation of this tense. In order to make affirmative sentence, we use subject plus head plus third form of the verb plus object. In order to convert affirmative into negative, what do? We add not word here. Yes, students. Now, subject plus head plus not plus third form of the verb plus object will be applied. In order to convert it into interrogative, we just put helping verb at the very first place, then subject, then third form of the verb, then object plus sign of question mark will be applied. Now let us go through an example. You have applied for the post. This form of the tense will go with affirmative form as we are using this formation of the tense. You had applied for the post. तुम पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई कर चुके थे. Next is you had not applied for the post. Now we have converted this affirmative tense into negative one. Now had you applied for the post sign of question mark. Now this indicates that the sentence has turned into interrogative form. Now let us go through the use of had. We see that if the pronouns are singular, he, she, it, and if the pronouns is personal pronoun or the pronoun may go plural, you, we, they. With all these pronouns, we use the verb had here. Had will be applied with all the pronouns, whether they are singular or plural. So we see that there is no distinguish between singular pronouns and plural ones. Now it's turn to see the use of past perfect tense. At the very first place we see that this tense is used to show the actions completed at a certain moment or a time in the past. It means the action is completed in the past, but it was completed at certain time. The time is certain. एक निश्चित समय में वो action complete हुआ है. For example, I had seen him in the market last month. मैंने उसे मार्केट में देखा था. कब? When? Last month. पिछले month. Is it okay? It means the action is completed in the past but at a certain moment, at a certain time. Next is I had finished my activity at 4 p.m. Now the activity is finished. The activity is completed. It is done. But at certain time, the time is 4 p.m. Next use is to indicate two actions in the past. When we see that two actions are happening in the past, then the past perfect tense shows the action completed at first. It means when two actions are happening, two actions had happened in the past, but the action that is completed at first, जो action students पहले हुआ है वो action clear होगा past perfect tense के द्वारा. It means we use past perfect tense in that action that is completed at first, जो पहले हुआ है. For example, the train had left before we reached the station. It means the train had left. गाड़ी जा चुकी थी. The action that is done, the action that is succeeding, which is the succeeding action here. सबसे पहला एक्शन कौन सा हुआ है? गाड़ी का चले जाना. So we will use had plus third form of the verb to indicate the succeeding action. Past perfect tense will be applied in the succeeding action, and the action that was happened later on, जो बाद में एक्शन हुआ है, that is preceding action, we use simple past tense to indicate that action, to show that action. It means second form of the verb will be applied in that action. Next example we can see, I had written the letter before he arrived. उसके पहुंचने से पहले मैं लेटर लिख चुका था. So the action that is succeeding, that is completed at first place is letter लिखना, the writing of the letter, and that action was over. So we use past perfect tense for that succeeding action, जो action पहले हो चुका था, and the next action we describe with the help of simple past tense, with the help of second form of the verb. Now we see an interesting use of this tense to express the assuming action. Students, please note down the word that is assuming action, the action that you assumed to happen, जो आपने माना था कि हो जाता. The assuming action that could not happen, but जो नहीं हो सका, जो एक्शन आपने सोचा था, जो काम आपने सोचा था कि हो जाता, बट इट कुड नॉट हैपन, लेकिन वो नहीं हो सका. कब? इन द पास्ट, पिछले टाइम में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ ही हैड जम्प्ड इनटू द रिवर द मैन कुड बी सेव्ड. इट मीन्स अगर उसने रिवर में जंप कर दिया होता, छलांग लगा दी होती, द मैन कुड बी सेव्ड, तो आदमी बच सकता था. इट मीन्स वी आर अज्यूमिंग दिस एक्शन दैट इफ़ ही हैड जम्प्ड, अगर उसने जंप कर दिया होता, बट ही डिडंट जंप, बट उस आदमी ने जंप नहीं किया था. वी आर सिंपली अज्यूमिंग, हम ऐसा मान रहे हैं कि अगर ऐसा हो जाता तो द मैन कुड बी सेव्ड, तो आदमी बच सकता था. In next example we see, if the doctor had arrived 5 minutes before, अगर डॉक्टर 5 मिनट पहले पहुंच जाते, the patient could be saved, तो जो मरीज़ है वो बच सकता था. In this sentence we are also seeing that the action is assumed. We are assuming the action कि अगर ऐसा हो जाता, अगर डॉक्टर 5 मिनट पहले पहुंच जाते तो पेशेंट बच सकता था. इट मीन्स इफ़ वी आर अज्यूमिंग एनी एक्शन कि ऐसा हो जाता, फॉर दैट एक्शन ऑल्सो वी यूज़ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. सो दिस वॉज योर पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. आई होप क्लास दैट दिस टेंस इज क्वाइट क्लियर टू यू नाउ. Try to elaborate your own sentences by making the use of the given uses of past perfect tense. Keep on practicing class, keep on learning and attain good knowledge. Thank you class. Good.